Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add social share buttons on your blog in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add social share buttons on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger, and first visit the blog section. Click on the click on the blog post or the blog article you want to add social share buttons on. Now let's add a blank section. So click on add section button, select blank section. Let's resize it like that. Now go to this website called elfsite.com. Let's zoom on the website name. Now then click on widget and search for social share buttons. It's below the social category. Now click on create widget for free. As you see, no credit card needed. Here select the social share buttons you want to add. For this video, I will go with this design called inline buttons. I will go with this inline buttons. Then click on continue with this template. Here select the social platforms you want to buttons you want to add. Click on add button. You can add social share buttons. For example, you can add the Facebook Messenger, for example. Click on let's go back to buttons. Click on add button. There are multiple social you can add Telegram, for example. Click on buttons. You can even create this copy link button. Let's look for now. You can even add Gmail. Now you can also I think this is too much. You can to add or to delete a social platform button. Just click on these three dots next to it and click on delete. Let's delete this copy link button. Display more buttons. To show or hide these more buttons, you can do it from here. Share preferences. How to open share window? You can open it in a new window or a new browser tab. I will go with new browser window. Back. Now click on add to website for free. Now hit this close button, and from this social share buttons page, click on either install or three dots or then embed code. It's the same thing. Copy this green code like that. Now return to Hostinger website builder, and inside this blank section, click on add elements, scroll to the bottom and drag this embed code element and drop it in your embed and drop it in the blank section. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video and drop it in the blank section. Click on enter code, delete this default code, and paste your social share buttons code. Hit embed code button and you will see your new buttons just like that. Let's resize this blank section. Don't forget to update your website to publish these social buttons. Let's view our website live. Go to blog. This is my blog post. And this is how to add social share buttons on your blog in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.